Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. And do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel if you have not done it so far, and do press the bell button so that you get all the notifications of all the episodes that I upload. So for the session of today, come.
Panipuri or golgappa, the hot favorite of India and Pakistan, and Coke float, the hot favorite of America. And what happens when we combine both of them? Come, let me show you. Step 1, making of spicy tangy mango fruit leather balls. Take quantity of each spices as you feel the best and as per as your taste. Mix all the spices and mix them well. When mixed, tear mango fruit leather or aam papad into small pieces. Yes, aam papad, another favorite. And rub and smear the mango fruit leather aam papad in the spice mix. Now roll the mango fruit leather or aam papad strips into small tiny balls. Mango fruit leather or aam papad is a hot favorite of India and Pakistan. And for step 2, making of Panipuri Coke float. Take an adequate amount of Coca-Cola. This should be super chilled, by the way. Take a 60 ml or 90 ml super chilled shot glass and fill the shot glass with Coca-Cola. When done, place it on a platter or a plate or a tray, and now take super chilled tutti frutti and place it on a tray or a plate or a platter, and aam papad balls. Take an adequate amount of Panipuri or golgappa and a super chilled vanilla ice cream that comes onto the plate or the platter also. Now take a Panipuri and crack a hole on the top of it. Place a couple of balls of aam papad and a couple of teaspoons of tutti frutti. Imagine what a taste and what a twist of taste. When done, take a couple of spoons of vanilla ice cream and stuff the Panipuri with the ice cream. Imagine the flavors that are going to be there in your mouth. And now, a couple of teaspoons of Coca-Cola and swallow. And gulp the Coca-Cola. Enjoy the flavors overflowing in the mouth. Imagine what a taste. Continue, enjoy and serve to all, including all your enemies too.
So friends, trust you have loved the session today. Do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. And till the time we meet again with another session, thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.